Hello and welcome. We're talking about hot tubs. Everybody is interested in hot tubs, especially salt water hot tubs. That's what this unit is here. This is a previously installed hot tub. We've had some requests to do some how-to hot tubs and really what is involved in a hot tub setup. Many customers have no clue what's involved in a hot tub, and when you give a quote for $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, they're like, wow, that's awfully expensive. Well, there's a lot involved in a hot tub install. So most hot tubs are going to have a concrete slab, as you can see. This is all sitting on a concrete slab. It's got a little paver walkway area. Behind this step is where the electrical conduit comes in. So this conduit needs to be installed before the concrete is installed. We get a lot of phone calls. The concrete slab's already in and this conduit is not in place. This tub is about 6 or 8 years old. This is 2023 now. The newer tubs, the way that they're being designed is they can either be powered from the right side of the tub or the left side of the tub. But if your tub is sitting on a concrete slab, that conduit needs to come up into that concrete. Very important, so you have a nice job, a quality job install. And as far as where the electrical power originates from, it originates from your main panel in the house. And most of these hot tubs that are installed and they have salt water and so on and so forth, they generally need a 240 volt circuit, 50 amp that comes to a disconnect switch. Inside this disconnect switch are two GFCI ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breakers. And one is a 30 amp circuit, the other is a 20 amp circuit. The 30 amp circuit generally is with the heater. The 20 amp circuit is the jet blowers and the motors to produce the water flow in your hot tub. So the home run, what we call a home run, the wire that comes from the electrical panel comes into here. From this point, there are two circuits leaving this panel, goes underground, up under the concrete slab, back into the tub, where it's actually, the power is distributed and tied into the main circuit board. What we're looking at now is the electrical meter. If you look on the outside of your house, your electrical meter on the opposite side of that wall will be your electrical panel 9 times out of 10, unless you have a disconnect switch next to that meter, which would allow you to put your electrical panel in another location. Here's Watt. He wanted to come say hi to us. So on the other side of this wall is an electrical panel. That's where the power originates. If you look at this, this is what they call a conduit body. It's made with PVC conduit plastic. This is called an LB. It just means that it's coming out of the back into the house and down. This is flexible, non-metallic conduit that gives you a flexible point to get down to the ground to where the actual conduit, the PVC conduit circuit is. But this is where the origination occurs for that power. So we hope that this video has been informative to you. There was a lot of information given to you. The purpose of this video is to give you an idea of what is involved in wiring a hot tub. It's just not taking a plug and plugging it into a wall. A lot more involved. So if you're looking for wiring for a hot tub, feel free to give us a call. The information that we shared with you is the information that you can provide to us in a video. If there are other items that you may want to see as far as content goes, please leave in the comments below. Again, we appreciate you and we thank you very much for taking the time to view this video. If you are not subscribed and you like what you saw, please subscribe. And until then, we'll see you later. Have a great day.